What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call and Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So we had a YouTube viewer that wanted to know if the microphone performance of the JLab Go Work Wireless was comparable, better, or worse than the JBuds Work Wireless headsets. So that's what we're going to do right now. Check it out. Okay, so for this first test, it's going to be quick and simple. I'm going to turn on the TV, and then I'm also going to run the blender, and then we're going to see how well that's going to perform compared to this guy here, the JBuds Work versus the Go Work wireless headsets. So right now, I'm in a quiet environment. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce some TV noise in the background, and that's a very reasonable volume level.
With a kids' meal before taking their seats.
All right, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and run this blender. So let's see if my camera follows me. This is the new Logitech Meetup 2 that I'm using. And so here's the blender, and so I'm going to go ahead and run that guy. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the JLab Go Work wireless headset, and there is a TV and a blender running in the background. All right. Now I have the JBuds Work wireless headset on, and so I'm in a quiet environment. Okay, and so now I'm going to introduce the television in the background. Okay, so now there's television in the background. Again, reasonable volume. Oh, there's some conflict going on up there. I'll tell you that right now. Conflict happening on TV. All right, so now I'm going to run the blender. Okay, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the JBuds Work wireless headset in this type of environment. The television's on, the blender's running, the boom arm is down, and so this is what it sounds like, and this is what you can compare. So that's what it sounds like, and so if you have any other questions about JLab Go Work Wireless or JLab JBuds Work Wireless headsets, reach out to us and we'll do our best to answer your questions. And if you would like to see anything else, comment below. And as always, if you like this type of content, give us that like and share this content. Share this with your team members, your friends, your buddies, or whoever needs to see this type of content. I'll see you next video.